Ever felt like your schedule is a chaotic whirlwind and you're just desperately trying to catch a stray leaf? You know, those moments where you're juggling clients, appointments, and maybe even trying to remember if you fed your houseplant? Yeah, me too. Or at least I used to. Because let's be honest, in today's world, time is the ultimate currency. And if you're running a business, especially one that relies on appointments, every minute counts. Think about it. You've got clients calling, messaging, wanting to book, reschedule, or just ask a quick question. And you're trying to keep track of it all, maybe with a paper calendar, a sticky note, or, dare I say, just relying on memory? It's a recipe for disaster. Missed appointments, double bookings, and a general sense of overwhelm. Sound familiar? Now imagine this. A world where your appointments are organized, accessible from anywhere, and you can manage them with just a few taps. A world where you can say goodbye to the paper chaos and hello to streamlined efficiency. Sounds good, right? That brings us to the core of today's discussion. How do you access your Square appointments? And more importantly, how do you unlock the power of this tool to transform your business? But before we dive into the technical details, let's take a moment to understand why this matters. Square Appointments isn't just a calendar. It's a comprehensive appointment management system designed to simplify your life and boost your business. It allows you to manage your schedule, accept online bookings, send reminders, and even process payments, all in one place. For those of you who are new to Square, or maybe just using it for payments, you might not realize the full potential of Square Appointments. It's like discovering a secret level in your favorite video game. It's always been there, but you just didn't know how to access it. So let's get into it. How do you access your Square Appointments? There are primarily two ways: through your web browser on a computer and through the Square Appointments app on your mobile device. First, let's talk about accessing it via your web browser. Open your favorite browser, Chrome, Safari, Firefox, whatever floats your boat, and head over to squareup.com. Now, if you're already logged into your Square account, you'll see your dashboard. If not, you'll need to sign in using your email address and password. Once you're in, look for the navigation menu on the left side of your screen. It's usually a series of icons or a drop-down menu. You'll see a section labeled Appointments. Click on that and boom, you've just entered the world of Square Appointments. Now let's break down what you'll see. The main screen is your calendar view. You can switch between daily, weekly, and monthly views to get a clear picture of your schedule. You'll see your appointments, color-coded for easy identification, and you can click on any appointment to see the details. From here, you can create new appointments, reschedule existing ones, and manage your availability. You can also access your client list, service settings, and reporting tools. It's like your mission control for your appointments. But what if you're on the go? What if you need to manage your appointments while you're out and about? That's where the Square Appointments app comes in. It's like having your entire appointment management system in your pocket. To access your Square Appointments through the app, you'll need to download it from your device's App Store, the App Store for iOS, or the Google Play Store for Android. Search for Square Appointments and download the app. Once it's installed, open it and sign in using your Square account credentials. The app interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. You'll see a calendar view similar to the web version, but optimized for mobile devices. You can swipe between days, weeks, and months, and tap on appointments to view details. The app also allows you to manage your availability, book appointments, send messages to clients, and even process payments directly from your phone. It's like having a mini office in your hand. Now, let's talk about some of the key features you'll find in Square Appointments, whether you're using the web version or the app. First, there's online booking. This feature allows your clients to book appointments directly from your website or social media pages. You can set your availability, define your services, and even accept payments online. It's like having a 24/7 receptionist. Then, there are automated reminders. You can set up Square Appointments to automatically send reminders to your clients via email or text message. This helps reduce no-shows and ensures that your schedule runs smoothly. It's like having a personal assistant who never forgets a thing. Next, there's client management. Square Appointments allows you to store client information, track their appointment history, and even send personalized messages. It's like having a CRM system built right into your appointment management tool. And let's not forget about reporting. Square Appointments provides detailed reports on your appointments, sales, and client activity. This allows you to track your business performance and make informed decisions. It's like having a data analyst on your team. But accessing Square Appointments is just the first step. The real magic happens when you start using its features to streamline your business. Here are a few tips to help you get the most out of Square Appointments. Customize your availability. Set your working hours and block off time for breaks or personal appointments. This ensures that you're only available when you want to be. Use online booking. Make it easy for your clients to book appointments by embedding your booking link on your website or social media pages. Set up automated reminders. Reduce no-shows by sending reminders to your clients a few days or hours before their appointments. Utilize client management. Store client information and track their appointment history to provide personalized service. Analyze your reports. Use the reporting tools to track your business performance and identify areas for improvement. Integrate with other Square tools. Square Appointments plays well with other Square tools, such as Square Point of Sale and Square Marketing. This allows you to create a seamless ecosystem for your business. The key is to understand your business needs and see how Square Appointments can help you achieve your goals. It's a versatile tool that can be customized to fit a variety of business models. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to access your Square Appointments and unlock its potential. Remember, it's not just about managing appointments. It's about managing your time, your business, and your sanity. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.